This project is Bluetooth based LED notice board. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with the power supply, 16:2 LCD display. Bluetooth module SG05 and LED notice board connected to Arduino UART ports. Now power on this. Initially we have to pair the Bluetooth in mobile. Now we have to open the Bluetooth settings. Here it is showing SG05. Now connect. And it is asking password. Password is 1234. Now close and open the app. Here app name is Beauty Terminal app. It is available in Play Store. Now connect. Connected. By default, an LED board showing time on text message. We can change the text message from app. Here command is star hello and enter. We can see here received processed. Again we have to give some other example. Star electronics projects.